other day I had another freaky day, and I'm out there cutting, and the daggone tree hits me right in the head, right on top of this son of a buck, hard. Not super duper hard, but plenty hard enough to make a little damage. Anyways, kills the 12 volt power instantly. This is a 24 volt system. It's got a converter in there to make 12 volt power. Anyways, kills the 12 volt power instantly. Like, daggone, what happened, you know? And then get to monkeying around with it. Got the schematic out and got to reading the schematic today. It's the first day we had time to go. Anyways, get up here this morning, battery's dead. I was like, what the hell? This thing don't have any, it's got a lot of problems, but batteries ain't one of them. So I get to dicking around and studying things, and I realized that the daggone memory wire going to the radio after reading around and taking the heat gun. It's a great diagnostic tool, the heat gun. Taking the heat gun, looking around, found a hot wire I found a hot wire in the daggone umbilical cord. Pull it up, single-eight it out in my hand, which wire it is. Read it, tells the number, come up here, boom, find it, runs to the radio. It's the memory wire. When the tree hit me, here's what happened. I took the radio apart. I was trying to figure out what the hell could have possibly made this thing mad. The end of the memory wire's burnt. And I'm like, what is going on? But it's not hooked up. Whoever changed the radio out screwed it up and didn't hook it up. But the memory wire, you see that burn spot right there, and see that powder of burn right there? That's what happened. Memory wire grounded out on the frame of the radio, and there you go. I was getting ready to chuck the radio. I was like, well, I better diagnose deeper. But that's what drained my batteries and everything else. No wonder it didn't catch on fire. But the tree hit hard enough, it jarred that memory wire that wasn't hooked up because of whoever the yo-yo is that put the radio in. And daggone, whew, that was lucky. So now we're hooking it in right, so we got a memory wire. And we'll put this baby back together and she will be fine. And I actually put the radio back together because the radio's fine. That's good news. Oh, don't give me that. You son of a bug. Well, Katie Top learns how to crimp, take two. But anyways, I just thought that was peculiar. Got her, bud. We even got her FM radio set up. There's a little ding-donger antenna. We need to find somewhere to hang this microphone. Be right about there, be nice, because I like to reach over and just hit the button and jack right into it while it's hanging. But I'll get to that. I'm gonna say one thing I love about getting older is getting smarter. I love that part about getting older. Now, moving less and feeling more pain, I don't know about that part, but getting smarter, that's just the price you pay to get out, get knowledge. Mom's always told me that's the price you pay for wisdom. Thanks, guys, for watching. One thing I wanted to say is everybody out there, do be safe. Please, we all got to go home at the end of the night. There's other people relying on us, and let's not forget that. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one.
Hey, guys and gals, don't forget to go to loggerway.com for all your Loggerway gear. Thanks. How much you paying me to say that?
Man, how much you going